What if I told you that you could make $100, $200, even $500 a day from TikTok, without showing your face, without recording your voice, and without filming a single original video? Sounds like a scam? I thought so too, until I saw hundreds of faceless TikTok pages doing exactly that, and cashing in. And the craziest part? They're doing it with nothing more than copy-paste content and free tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a faceless TikTok brand, how people are making passive income with zero filming, and how you can start today, even if you've never posted a TikTok before. Stick around to the end, because I'll reveal 3 TikTok niches that are blowing up in 2025, and a secret AI tool that automates everything. Let's get started. How it works. Here's the basic idea. You create a faceless TikTok page using viral video clips that are already trending, like motivational speeches, luxury cars, AI tools, finance quotes, podcast snippets, and more. Then, you monetize that content using affiliate links, digital product sales, TikTok Creator Fund, or even brand sponsorships. All without creating original videos. All without being on camera. All without saying a single word. And no, this isn't reposting random stuff. This is about smart curation plus viral editing plus monetizing like a business. Let me show you how to set it up from scratch. Step-by-step setup. Step 1. Pick a viral faceless niche. Some of the best niches for this include motivation, money tips / finance hacks, luxury lifestyle, AI and tech tools, relationship quotes, celebrity podcast moments. Why these? They're high engagement, easy to find clips for, and they go viral without needing personal branding. Step 2. Collect viral clips. Use these sources: Instagram, Reels, search viral pages, YouTube Shorts, filter by most popular podcast snippets from TikTok itself, Pexels and Pixabay for royalty-free B-roll download, using tools like Snaptic, save from .net Y2Mate. Make sure the clip is public, non-watermarked, and 15 to 60 seconds long. Step 3. Edit for virality. Use free editing tools like CapCut Desktop, VN Editor, or Adobe Express. Add captions using bold font, yellow-white. Include background music, add zooms or bounce effects to keep attention. Resize for 9:16 TikTok format. Use titles like, "Nobody talks about this," "This changed my life," etc. Step 4. Post and optimize. Use 3 to 5 trending hashtags. Post consistently, 1 to 2 times per day. Repost same videos on Reels and Shorts to multiply reach. In bio, add a Linktree or Beacons page with your monetized link. Done right, one clip can go viral and bring 100,000 plus views overnight. How you actually make money. So now you've got videos posted. But how does money come in? Here are 4 faceless monetization models. 1. Affiliate marketing. Find products related to your niche on Digistore, 24, Impact.com, Lemonade, Gumroad for finance templates. Example: a motivation page promoting a goal planner PDF for $9. You earn $5 per sale. 100 sales equals $500. 2. Sell digital products. Make or resell. Budget spreadsheets, Notion templates, AI prompt packs. Use free tools like Canva to create PDFs. Host on Gumroad or Payhip. Link it in your TikTok bio. 3. TikTok Creator Fund. Available in several countries now. You get paid per 1,000 views. It's not huge, but a viral video with 1 million views can still bring in $20 to $50. 4th, sponsored shoutouts. You can charge $100 to $300 per sponsored video, especially in finance, tech, or luxury niches. The key is to build a theme page with consistent branding so sponsors trust you. Tools you'll need. Here's your exact faceless TikTok toolkit. AI script writing. ChatGPT, Claude.ai to write quotes, captions. Video editing. CapCut, VN Editor, free. Or Premiere Rush Scheduling. Later.com. Metricool to auto-post. Thumbnails for Reels, Shorts. Canva. Use Reels cover, template. Link in bio. Beacons.ai or Solo.to. Add multiple links easily. Analytics. TikTok Pro account. Free insights to track growth. Start with free versions. Upgrade only when scaling. So there you have it. No voice, no face. Just smart TikTok videos, consistent effort, and the right tools. And you're on your way to $200 per day or more. This is one of the most beginner-friendly, low-effort income models out there in 2025. Drop a comment saying, TikTok start, and I'll reply with my personal checklist. Like this video, subscribe for more faceless income strategy. See you in the next one. Keep building, keep growing.